The Federal Aviation Administration has issued a temporary flight restriction immediately halting all flights to and from El Paso International Airport in Texas and an area of southern New Mexico for 10 days. According to the FAA's website, the pause over El Paso and Santa Teresa, New Mexico, is due to special security reasons. A notice by the FAA classifies the airspace as national defense airspace and says pilots who violate the restriction could be intercepted, detained, and questioned by law enforcement. It warns that additional actions could be taken for pilots who don't adhere to the restrictions, including suspension of flight certifications, criminal charges, and that the U.S. government may use deadly force if an aircraft poses an imminent security threat.